Best deals. Made of quality food grade material, these baskets and racks have an easy assembly system. That's why no need to worry about it. Assembly system can store vegetables, fruits and other thing of daily usage, makes everything look beautiful and better organized. It will match almost any decor. It allows users to stack items without having to worry about losing countertop space. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Vegetable stand. Made of quality food grade plastic material. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Wood kitchen rack. Designed to fit perfectly in any kitchen, offering ample storage. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cutlery organizer. Made of durable high-quality stainless steel, water-resistant, glossy finished with nickel chrome plated, easy to clean. Utensil holder is created with extra compartments to store all your flatware. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Cabinet shelf. Organizers are conveniently designed and can be easily assembled without complex tools or expertise. It provides a convenient solution to maximize your storage space. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Corner shelf. Crafted from robust stainless steel with a sleek chrome finish. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Storage shelf. Constructed from metal, the frame is finished with powder coating. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Wood kitchen rack. Ensures durability and longevity. Its robust construction stands up to daily use. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Bamboo plate stand. Unique wide base supports large and small plates in a compact size. Foldable for convenient storage. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Plate stand. Crafted from durable material. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Dish drying mat. Can dry anything that has been washed. Resistant to rust, non-slip, durable, glassware friendly, and sturdier than stainless steel racks. Oil resistant, very easy to clean, it's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity and versatility. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Shelf. Made of full stainless steel frame with nickel chrome plating, ensuring its sturdiness and durability. Provides ample space for organizing all your needs. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Dish plate stand. Compact shape provides good storage. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Dish drying rack. Has a durable plastic drainboard and premium stainless steel which can effectively prevent rust and deformation. And you can clean the rack easily by rinsing it under a running tap. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Trolley. Crafted with premium grade metal, this fruit and vegetable storage rack boasts unparalleled sturdiness. Embrace the power of its anti-corrosion and anti-rust properties. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Trolley. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Small plate stand. Versatile kitchen rack serves as a plate stand for kitchen, utensil stand for kitchen, and dish rack for kitchen. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Dish drying basket. With 2 spacious tiers, you can efficiently organize a variety of dishes, including plates, bowls, and cookware, making it perfect for large families or those who love to entertain. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Under sink storage organizer. Steel pipes and removable plastic are highly durable with a skid-resistant surface that hinders from sliding or scratching. Can be adjusted to any layout of desirable space. Sturdy racks to keeps the items in place. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Shelf. With the drain tray, you can use it for cups, mugs, fruits. Without the drain tray, it can be used in the kitchen, bathroom, office, and even under the sink. With this elegant and well-designed organizer, you can better use your home spaces and make your home cleaner and tidier. Easy assembly, no screw, no tool needed, easy to put it together. Organizer can help streamline tasks by keeping essentials within easy reach while also promoting tidiness and cleanliness. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Dish Drainer Basket. It's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Storage Shelf. Organizer allows users to take advantage of vertical space. It allows users to stack items without having to worry about losing countertop space. Constructed from metal, the frame is finished with powder coating, is made to last and hold the heaviest of kitchen or bathroom items. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Rack. Can be used in your kitchen, wardrobe, garage or other storage areas, allows you to keep your appliances stacked one above the other, ensuring they are all in one place, provides extra storage space while also keeping your countertops organized, easy to assemble using simple tools and comes with simple instructions that users can follow. These individual shelves can easily hold up to 7 to 8 kgs, allowing you to keep your appliances one over the other without worrying about storage space. Stand has been built to ensure that it does not wobble when being used. The modern contemporary look of the stand adds elegance to your kitchen. Now save space and store your kitchen utensils in an efficient manner. Compact yet spacious, the stand fits easily under most standard countertops while also accommodating most microwave ovens. Engineered metal frame offers stability and load-bearing capacity to this microwave stand. Food, pots and pans, dishes, cups, and other kitchen accessories can be placed on the top tier of this stand. This shelf reduces clutter and adds extra storage space in your kitchen. The compact design occupies the smallest space in your kitchen, make your messy space clean and tidy. The reinforced crossbar provides more support and ensures stability and durability. Elegant industrial outlook is widely loved by customers from all over the world. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Kitchen Organizer. Kitchen rack is made of wrought iron with powder coated in 3 mm glass sheet. White modern and simple design, the storage rack for kitchen storage organizer can be matched well with the most household style. This kitchen organizer is perfect for storing grains, canned goods, salt and pepper grinders, or home kitchen accessories items. Racks such as lotions, makeup, nail polishes, face towels, cleansers, soaps, and much more. Keep your home environment clean and tidy. The kitchen accessories items steel is made of high quality metal that is a rust resistant, solid base for stable hold with its non-slip foot mat design. Makes your countertop have more space for a kitchen organizer rack. Simply wipe the surface with a damp cloth to clean the kitchen shelf organizer, keep dry, and do not submerge, maximizes your kitchen organizer items and storage space. Utilizes it in any place of the house, including bathroom, cabinet, coffee table, kitchen organizers, storage racks, countertop, pantry, craft room, living room, shelves, and more. Product link is given in the 23rd link.